Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Surfshark VPN. This is a comprehensive tutorial. I'll walk you through Surfshark's interface, explain how to connect to a server and hide your IP address. I'll also cover the many available settings, such as the different VPN protocols, as well as the kill switch and split tunneling features. First of all, what exactly is Surfshark? Surfshark is a VPN service that ensures a secure and anonymous internet connection, allowing you to browse privately, bypass geo restrictions, and protect your data from cyber threats, among other things. A VPN like Surfshark allows you to browse securely by encrypting your connection and hiding your IP address. This helps protect your privacy by preventing third parties like internet service providers, advertisers, or cybercriminals from spying on or tracking your online activity. Surfshark has a network of over 3,200 VPN servers across 100 countries worldwide. In addition to online privacy, the service also aims to protect you from malware, unwanted ads, and other potential threats. Surfshark is available on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It can also be used on smart TVs, gaming console, and even routers. One last point, you can use it on an unlimited number of devices simultaneously, which is something very few VPN services offer. That means you can protect all your devices with a single subscription. If you are not yet subscribed to Surfshark, you can use our link vpn-club.com/surf or click the one below this video to take advantage of a special offer. With our link, you'll get an 87% discount and 3 months free. Surfshark offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Here is the Surfshark interface. It's intuitive, making the service accessible even for beginners. You can quickly connect to a server from this list. There are many countries to choose from. In Europe, of course, the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Belgium, Switzerland. In North America, the US, Canada, Mexico. In South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile. In Asia, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. In Oceania, Australia, New Zealand. Let's do a test. As you can see here, my IP address ends in .134. It locates me in Marseille, France. I choose a location, the UK for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. I'll refresh this page. And now I have a new IP address, which locates me in the UK. It's different from the one I had before. Surfshark has successfully hidden my real IP address. My new IP address makes it look like I'm in the UK, when in reality I'm in France. So imagine I want to access a service that's only available in the UK. Now I can. Any website I visit or app I use will think I'm in the UK because I have a British IP address. I disconnect. Of course, there is a search function, so you can look for a specific country or city. For countries where multiple cities are available, like the US, for example, you can choose to connect to a VPN server in a particular city. Here, you have access to static IPs, so you always have the same IP address, which is useful for accessing work networks with IP restrictions, for example. Surfshark also offers multi-hop servers, or double VPN, which change your IP address twice and increase your security with double encryption. Lastly, you can have a dedicated IP, which is a unique IP address assigned to you each time you connect. Other VPN users do not have access to this IP, unlike static IPs. You can enable the No Borders mode, a feature that allows you to use the VPN even under network restrictions. Note that if the app detects an attempt to restrict your network, like your school's firewall or your ISP, for example, it will automatically activate No Borders mode and display a list of servers that work best in those situations. I've shown you how to connect to a server on the Windows app, but it's exactly the same process on macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS apps. Now let's talk about the settings. In the VPN settings, you can choose to launch the app automatically at startup, connect automatically to a server when the app opens, activate the clean web feature to block ads, trackers, and malware. There is also a kill switch, which disables internet access if the VPN connection drops to prevent accidental IP leaks. This is a safety measure to ensure your personal data is not accidentally exposed and your privacy is maintained no matter what. It's especially recommended when downloading via peer-to-peer. You can choose between two protocols, OpenVPN and WireGuard. OpenVPN is the most common and secure protocol. It's open source and adaptable to all your needs. Use OpenVPN to secure your information, especially when accessing your bank accounts or using public Wi-Fi. WireGuard is a modern VPN protocol that has outperformed OpenVPN in terms of performance. It uses cutting-edge encryption, is extremely fast and user-friendly. It's the protocol of choice if you're looking for high speeds. Use it for large downloads, online gaming and streaming. So you can choose a protocol that suits you best. If you're not sure which one to use, just select automatic and Surfshark will choose for you. There is also a split tunneling option called bypasser to exclude an app, website or IP address from the VPN traffic or only include specific apps. Imagine you want to use a VPN for torrenting, but browse the web through your regular internet connection. You can add your BitTorrent client here. You can also run a speed test and choose to be invisible on the local network, so your device is hidden from others like phones, printers, or smart TVs connected to your local network. There is also an option for rotating IP, which changes your IP address automatically while keeping your VPN location the same. And here you'll find the no borders mode I already mentioned. In the app settings, you can change the app's appearance and language, adjust notifications. From the sidebar, you have access to various features such as alternative ID to keep your personal information hidden by using an alternate identity, a useful feature for protecting your online privacy or signing up for services without revealing your real data. There is also a data breach alert system which protects your identity by monitoring for data leaks. If your data is detected, for example on the dark web, Surfshark will notify you. There is also an antivirus, a private search engine. In short, enough to satisfy all types of users, from beginners to advanced. So, if you're a beginner, don't worry, you don't need to know all these settings. If you're torrenting, I recommend enabling the kill switch feature. If you have trouble bypassing a specific geo restriction, try switching to another VPN protocol. Other settings, aside from the general ones, are more for curious and advanced users. Just a reminder, if you're not yet subscribed to Surfshark, you can use our link vpn-club.com/surf or click the one below this video to take advantage of a special offer. With our link, you'll get an 87% discount and 3 months free. Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to use Surfshark. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you like this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. Thanks and see you next time.